Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Structural Engineering 1, that is Reinforced Concrete RCC. In last video, we discussed about the components of the structure. Lecture 4. In this video, we'll see different types of the structures. Different types of the structures. What are the different types of the structures? According to material, according to structures, according to height, there are different types of structures. Solid structures. In solid structures, you may see RCC structures, masonry structures, frame structures, steel structures, shell type structure, membrane structures, composite structures. Composite means using different materials. See, this classified into different type of structure according to function. Bridges, houses. This is classifying structures. As discussed, structures can also be classified three basic forms: solid, frame, shell. What are the solid structures? They are very strong by construction materials. This is a small picture photo statue. These are also made of the wood, made of the concrete dams. These are examples of structures. So these are basic classification of structure or different types of structure: frame structures, metal structures, steel structures. This is one of the type of frame structure. Steel structure. This will come under frame structure. Frame structures can be very strong. They have advantage. Why? Because lighter weight. Shell structure, dome shaped. You will see in Kerala, dome shaped cell structure. This is a model of the cell structure, like your eggs. Shell means like shell. Combination of structures. So different types of structures. Various solid, frame, shell. These are combination of structures. Different types of structures, as I said, according to material. RCC structures. In RCC structures, again, what are the materials used? Cement, concrete, aggregates, water. Suppose steel structures. We'll have steel structures, industrial structures, bridges, according to the ground, according to the continuity, according to purpose of service, commercial building, residential buildings, industrial buildings, according to ownership, according to load carrier system, goes on like that, according to construction stages, according to height, tall structure, according to elements of the structure. So these are all different types of structures. According to material, adobe structures like soil structures, wood structures, these you will see in earthquake zones generally. Masonry structures, that is brickwork, off timber structures. Now this is a very important reinforced concrete structure. By name itself, you know, reinforced concrete structure. What are the materials we used? We are going to use in RCC structures: cement, sand, coarse aggregate with water. Steel structures. You know what is the use of steel structures? See, this is an example of adobe and wood structure. This is masonry or soil structure. This is a wood structure. These are examples for adobe and wood structures. Masonry structure example. See, brick wall with soil, mud like or cement, lime. These are masonry structure examples. Masonry structure examples. See, you see this small, what is RCC structure? Basically, if you see, you will observe what is RCC frame structure. This is reinforcement, top reinforcement, this is bottom reinforcement. In coming topics, you will understand in better way why we are providing more steel at the bottom, why less steel at the top. So you observe, watch this video. This is very useful to understand what is RCC frame structure. See footing, splinter beam, columns and beams and stirrups. These are cranked bars. See, to understand what is RCC structure, you watch this video. See, you will have cantilever area all around the work, slab. See, these are covers on the slab. On covers, you will have reinforcement. This is positive reinforcement. In next classes, it's very important. If you observe this video at least 2-3 times, you will understand in better way. See, the subject is very easy when you understand the concept of the structure. See, if you see this video, you will understand what is RCC frame structure, how the reinforcement placed, how the slab reinforcement placed, how the crank bars are placed, and cover under the reinforcement. If you see, these are all you will see in the in this video. This is a homogeneous structure, slab. Top bars and bottom bars in the slab. Watch this video carefully. You will observe what are the components of the RCC structure as discussed in the last class. Footings, columns, beams, slabs. This is a slab, homogeneous slab. Okay. In next class, we'll see some more. We'll see some more structures, different type of structures.